Leaves of 3, urushiol of Toxicodendron plants. This happy little tale starts with a trip to my local creek, looking for some work to do on the carnivorous proclivities of our western skunk cabbage. When much to my surprise I ran into this. Whoa,
How's this go
leaves of
for
3, leaves of 3 everywhere.
Let it
Amazing.
be. Or leave it be. Leaves of 3.
Acres of it.
Let it be.
And almost ran right through it. Luckily I noticed 3 leaves altogether before I wandered into this huge patch.
All the way up to there.
And I was going to go down to the creek, and it's all
Leaves of 3.
poison ivy. Toxicodendron.
There's a path down the middle of it.
Producer of
urushiol.
Toxic chemical causing severe contact dermatitis.
And it goes all the way along here. This is along the creek. Down there's a creek full of skunk cabbage, but the shore is full of 3-leafed plant. Anyway, have a good look at it. That's the famous one. There's ivy over there, but that's okay. But that is a foreign invader. But if we go down the path here, you see lots of leaves of 3. Leave it be. Leaves of 3. Leave it be. Look at them all the way down there. Mixed with a little bit of regular ivy, but all the way down the hill over there.
I didn't think that I touched anything, but the next day my wrist started looking like this, and painful, itching, with red dermatitis, red welts in the center. Somehow it had happened. I had obviously touched it. I look back at the video, and I did get kind of close to some of those plants, but again, I don't believe I touched them. Here's the chemical that causes the severe contact dermatitis, urushiol. Comes from poison ivy, poison oak, and poison sumac, the 3 toxicodendrons. The 3 main toxicodendrons grow in different areas. For example, up here we have mainly poison ivy. Notice that they can have even flowers, so it may be surprising, may fool some people. And the coloring does not have to be green, it can be red, especially in the autumn on all of these plants. But severe contact dermatitis in sensitized people happens frequently with contact. The chemical can be spread by touching and by scratching and by rubbing the skin after contact. Immediate topical therapy will help prevent spreading and limit the disease. More severe cases require medical treatment for at least a week duration, with injectable steroids followed by oral and antihistamines of H1 and H2 types. Wildfire smoke may contain urushiol, causing airway and lung reactions. Do not inhale smoke with that. Be careful of the plants that you are near. Do not touch them if you do not know exactly what they are. This is by Gary Ordog, MD. Please subscribe to my channel, Gary Ordog, G-A-R-Y-O-R-D-O.